So the basic primary life process, that is what? Nutrition. Means we need energy from the environment in different forms to grow, to synthesize, to reproduce. So to continue these life processes, we need what? Nutrition. So children, these molecules which are supplied to the human body, we take it in the form of what? Carbon molecules. They are based upon the carbon molecules, that is hydrocarbons. As we said, the different organisms, they take food in different forms, they take energy in different forms, they take nutrition in different forms. So children, those nutrients which we take from the nature, from outside, from environment, these are in the form of carbon, that is hydrocarbon. For example, proteins, fats, amino acids, then carbohydrates. So these all come under what? Nutrition. So it is a mode through which we take food material from, or raw material from the nature or from the environment. So these are nothing but what? The carbon molecules. These are nothing but what? Carbon compounds. So if you take plants, they don't even have mouth. So how do they take food? It's not visible to our naked eye, like as that of animals or human beings. So the role of nutrition is to obtain the food material from outside, from nature, in different forms. We take food in the form of carbon molecules, carbon compounds, whereas the plants prepare their food with the help of carbon dioxide and water, which are very simpler substances. Those are not complex substances. They are very simpler substances which are available in the nature in a simple form. So with the help of carbon dioxide, which is present in the air, and water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, the plants prepare their own food. You have already studied in your lower classes that the plants, the green plants, they prepare their own food. So those plants, they are called as what? Autotrophs. And the mode through which they take the raw materials, the mode through which they prepare their food is nothing but what? The autotrophic mode of nutrition. So our body, our body or human body or any plant body or any animal body, they all need food in the same type, that is they need food to get energy, to reproduce, for the growth purpose. But the form through which they are taking this food is different. Those forms are not similar. Plants take food in presence of carbon dioxide and water. Do we also prepare the food with the help of sunlight? Do we also prepare the food with the help of carbon dioxide and water? No. We don't prepare the food. We are dependent on the plants and the other animals that eat plants, isn't it? So this kind of nutrition is nothing but what? Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So children, we have seen that plants prepare their food with the help of simpler substances which are in the simple forms. They are what? The carbon dioxide and water.